Well, guys, I got the two 16-pin sockets in. And you know, it's always a good thing when you get sockets done. Time to relax with a little beer. Grab a Pac-Man cat kit. Pac-Man cat kit. Never leave home without them. Never not have some here at the shop. You gotta have some Pac-Man cat kits at the shop. Pac Cap kit. You know what I can do? I can start populating. I can start repopulating. I need my fiberglass pen job. Clean some of these up a little bit. Anyway. Z80's nasty. I mean, this thing's bad. What a nasty Z80. Six F. F. Six E. 5E. 6H. Oh no. Oh, 5F has broken legs. What happened? Well, I might have another one. Darn it. Darn it all. That's 5F. And, you know, if worse comes to worse, I can repair that sometime. But let me... That one says E, which I don't know what that even means. That one says H. I don't know. No. Nope. Okay. Well, this guy's toast. 5, you know. That guy just ain't gonna cut it. Just had weak legs. So that's 5F. Let me grab 5F out of the other board. And you know what? Let's just make it a matching set. We'll do both of these guys. I'm funny like that. I like things to match and stuff like that. Come on. There you go. Alright. This is 5E, so we'll throw that in here. On this board. Okay. And we'll put these guys in here for an F. And 5E. Alright. We're going to try, this one just says J. I'm going to try it in here. It just says J. I don't know if it's the right thing or what. Okay. These are bipolars. 7A. It's 123. That's supposed to be 7F. That's 7F. 3M. That was the one that we replaced. Fix this leg up a little bit. Make this thing a little bit better. One M. Okay. And 4A. Is that it? Oh, our RAM too. This is a 161, which is just nasty looking. I'm not. That thing's done. Let me grab a 161. I guess I'll grab a 163. I think I got more of these, maybe. Okay, got a 163 here. 161, 163. It does not matter which one you put in here, because the reset is all, the clear pin is always pulled high, so it doesn't matter if it's a 161 or a 163. RAM. All tested good RAM. Cleaned up RAM. Texas Instruments. Instrument de Texas. De Tejas. Okay. It's actually cleaned up pretty good. Yeah, that's working pretty darn good. Good. Wow. Like that. This side's worse. But man, that cleans it up good. Yeah. It'd be nice to have a fiberglass wheel for the Dremel. Look at all this crap coming off of here. No, not because of COVID. This is because of I'm tired of reading this kind of bullcrap. These are terrible. It's starting to shine up. Huh. I gotta have something. There has to be something. I gotta have something for my Dremel. To do. I got these little buffing pads. What's up with those? I have never used these. It's like a buffing wheel. Huh. How do you do that? I don't get how you even use this. What is this? You can tell this thing's been submerged in some water. I bet you this corkscrews into this. Yeah. I'm gonna try using this little buffing wheel thing. This little thing, it's a little buffing wheel or something. I've never used it before, but I'm gonna try it and see if it does any good. Never know. Might be like the next best, greatest thing. Okay, let's do this. does a pretty good job. I mean, I think that's as good as it's going to get. Honestly. I mean, it's going to be okay. That thing actually, I mean, did it work great? No, but it worked pretty good. I don't want to sand this. I would rather have a little oxidized layer. I'd rather have that than to sand it. I don't want to sand that. Okay, cool. Well, that's enough of that. That was good to have. That came in handy though, because I do have to repair that one trace. You know, the one trace is a no, I got to wrap around. Okay. What to do next? Oh, we could always fix that trace. Caps. Caps. Yep. I guess the cap kit will be next, guys. Ready. Nice clean board. And we're going to get to removing these sockets. Pins. The pins to the sockets. Yeah, that's like heavy oxidation or something. You know, big time. Moisture. Something. We'll clean it up best we can. Oh, that one's weird. Why is that one not want to go? can't see. Stuff is a little stubborn. It's not terrible though. Damn. It is extremely stubborn. Extremely. Remember, you do want to be careful with Midway boards. Don't force this. It doesn't want to come out. Leave it in. A lot of times you just move these around and they'll break free and come out though. But if they don't, just don't force it. See, there's some, these ones, this one's loose. But these, they loosen up. These two right here, well, yeah, they don't want to move. Those two right there don't want, well, that one's still soldered in. There. Goodness. Okay. It looks perfect. It looks great. Moving on. They're stubborn though. These are stubborn. Tough to get out. Old oxidized solder. Wow. This is a slow go of this. These are all oxidized up. Sucks. I'm going to try to give you a good close-up. Alright, that's where we're at. Let's try that. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Let's lift it up just a touch. Yeah, let's just go with that. Just leave the board exactly where it's at. On to the next. Looks like that's the last three. Last 3 rows for ROMs. Very stubborn. I'll call you back, Dad. Ouch. By golly. Goodness gracious. Stubborn. Not a pad lifted. Okay, let's back up. Oh, wrong way, wrong way, wrong way. Just a few stragglers remaining. Just pick them out. Remember, just don't force anything. And let's take a look. All clear. Now, before you put sockets in here, you want to really inspect and get any flakies, because they can really wreak havoc on your board, these Midway boards. But this looks great. I don't see there's no damage at all. Came out really good. I'm going to go ahead and do the other two ROMs and the other two ROMs and the addresser over here. And I have to remove this. I'll do that and come back. And I got to call my dad. All right, guys. I'll be back. All right. We're going on Flaky patrol. I like using a fine point iron for flakies. Make sure it's tin good. I tell you what, this stuff over here is good for tinning. I guess that's why it's called tinning stuff, right? I guess. Call me Captain Obvious. Okay. Flaky patrol. Just going around and collecting flakies if I see them. And doing inspecting and grabbing flakies. That's what we're doing. Yeah, you have to do this with these boards because the solder mask on the traces that go right next to all these through holes the solder mask is always off. So if you get a little itty bitty flaky there, it'll short it. Okay. That's it. I see a pretty good shine in here on these sockets. I see a pretty good metallic shine, so those are going to be okay. And this one, not so much. This one looks like crap. That's got to be replaced. These look okay. I see good metallic shine in there. They'll be okay. This one, that one looks like crap. I mean, like dark rust and stuff inside the socket. That one's got to go. This one will be okay. This one's okay. And this one will be okay. That one, not so much. And maybe I'll grab the camera and see if I can give you a good look at that socket versus the other ones. Okay. And let me grab my glasses so that I can see what I'm showing you. Alright. Let's try to get right in there. It's on the right side. The left side looks okay. Then there's the right side. I don't know if you can. You see how crappy that looks? And then here is our RAM. I don't know if this camera is really, with this lighting, is really picking it up. There's a nice metallic tin shine in there, though. And those are going to be okay. They're not pushed in. They don't look damaged at all. I'm not worried about that contact. This one, though, that's got to go. The one side, this side seems to be okay. See that good metallic shine there? And then you got this side. Just garbage. So that guy's going to go. The other ones look okay. And I will do sockets. I just got all the flakies. Everything looks good. So next thing is we're going to put some sockets in here, and then I'll remove this guy. All right, guys. I bought a lot of electronic parts. And I don't mean like a lot in quantity, even though it was a ton in quantity. Like a lot, you know. Anyway, I got like 200 of these. These are 28 pin, but they're 0.300 inch instead of 0.6. I'm not going to let these things go to waste. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove one side of both of these and put them together and make a 0.600 socket to go in here. I'm going to use these things up. I got no other use for these 28 pin slim sockets, really. But I'll use a ton of the wide ones. So I'm going to make use of them by removing one side of each, putting them together, solder them in the board. Yes, I got like 200 of them. It would be stupid not to use them. And all you got to do is push these up and just grab them. Just like that. Yeah, it would be a waste not to use these. So this is tedious, but hey, if it's going to save me some money, why not? And they came in that stuff that I bought, so. This will be super fun when I do a Galaga. Uh-oh. We gonna break out the hats and hooters when Josie comes home. We're gonna wrap up the motor scooter when Josie comes home to stay. We're gonna pop in the street. When Josie comes home, so good. She's the pride of the neighborhood. One. Now these are going to butt up like this. So I need to take this inside out. Come on now. She prays like a road with her eyes on fire. Joe, would you love your scrap? She never say no. No. We're gonna shine up the barrel and take it on home to see. We're gonna pop in the street. What are you doing, boo? Boo boo. I'm gonna turn the iron off. I don't need that on right now. Me and my son today, we cruised about a 45-minute drive away because I seen on Facebook Marketplace somebody was selling 4 ColecoVision consoles. One of them had 2 controllers and it has a power supply and an RF thing. And each of them come up, but they each got issues. And I have a cartridge, and only 2 of them would run a cartridge. And those 2 would not run it very good. So they definitely need some repair work. And I think I'm going to do... See, that's what I'm talking. That's what I'm doing. Now I got to see if these will even fit in here. It might not even fit. When Josie comes home, so good. Nah, it doesn't fit. Damn it. Nope, won't fit. That sucks. And I'm not shaving them down or any dumb stuff like that. So, does anybody have any use for these things? I have no use for these. They're 28 pin. I just don't have a use for them. 28 pin slim. If anyone wants them, I've got a ton of them. Let me show you how many I got. Hey, boo-boo. What are you doing over there? Let me show you what I got. I got that many. Oops. Watch out, boo-boo. Yeah, I got this many 28 pin slim sockets. If anyone wants these, I will give them to you at the cost of shipping as a gift to my viewers. Whoever wants those, comment. Let's say $10 shipping. You can have them all. I don't need them. I don't have a use for them. If somebody does, let me know. So I'm gonna get my other sockets. I do have some 28 pin sockets, so I'll do that. Let me get those and get my other sockets and get prepared and everything. So I'll be right back.